In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset my TradingView chart. If your chart looks zoomed in too far, panned off to the side, or just a bit out of control after lots of scrolling and zooming, this quick reset brings everything back into a clean, centered view. It's a simple action, but it saves time and helps you regain a clear perspective on price action without touching your indicators or drawings. Here's the idea. We're going to ask TradingView to fit the visible data back onto the screen by using its built-in reset command. To begin, move your mouse over the main chart area, the background grid behind your candles, bars, or lines. This is important. Make sure you're not hovering over an indicator panel, the price scale on the right, the time scale at the bottom, or directly on a drawing. You want a clean spot on the chart background itself. Now, right-click anywhere on that background. A context menu will appear with several options tailored to where you clicked. Look for the option labeled Reset Chart View and click it. That's it. In a single step, TradingView recenters and resizes your chart so the visible data fits neatly within the screen. You'll notice the price scale adjusts, the time scale snaps back, and any extreme zoom or pan you did is undone. A few helpful notes about what this does and doesn't do. Reset. Chart view affects the view, not your setup. Your indicators remain exactly where they are, your drawings stay intact, your symbol and time frame don't change, and nothing is deleted. You're simply asking the platform to reframe the chart so you can see things clearly again. If you don't see the Reset Chart View option, double-check that your right-click was on an empty part of the chart background. Right-clicking a drawing or indicator can bring up a different menu. Try a slightly different spot until you see the correct option. Also, if your chart didn't seem to change after resetting, it might already have been in a default, well-fitted state, so there was nothing to adjust. This quick reset is especially handy after exploring historical data, analyzing small intraday moves, or comparing multiple assets. Whenever your view feels cramped or off-center, use this reset to get back to a balanced starting point in seconds. And that's the entire process. Right-click on the chart background, then click Reset Chart View. Keep this in your workflow, and you'll stay oriented no matter how deep your analysis goes.